Oh wait, what is the name of it? Okay, I have to pause. I could go on and on and on about skincare. Then, okay. It is hot in here. Filming in my closet again. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Shar, and today is all about my favorite and best skincare of 2019. Now, if you've watched some of my other videos, I talk about other skincare products, and I still stand behind those and I still use those. The products that I'm going to talk about today, I have not shared before, and I'm super excited to share them because these are the products that really blew me away this year and absolutely killed it. So with that, let's just jump right in. There's a lot to go through, so I'm just going to quickly run through each one and talk about them. And if you want to read up more about them, I will put the links down below. If you're new to my channel, I talk a lot about cleansing balms, and I had a holy grail, which was Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. This little guy, the Good Molecules Instant Cleansing Balm, hit my radar around September, and this jumped into my holy grail spot. I love this cleansing balm, and it is affordable. I get it off of beautylish.com. I think that's the only place you can get it right now. I would not be surprised if you see more of Good Molecules in 2020. There is a reason why this is selling out on Beautylish. This is such a great cleansing balm. Totally love it. I was on a hunt this year for a great acid toner that I could use on a daily basis. And I have a great hydrating one, but I found the Ren Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. This is the giant size bottle. There's a smaller version. I love this stuff. I wish I would have found this sooner. If you've got acne or acne scars, this really helps with cell turnover, brightens skin. It's got lactic acid, so that's really going to help with the cell turnover. And it's a gentler form of a chemical exfoliant so lactic acid is a little gentler on your skin. It also has azelaic acid, which is great for acne. So again, if you've got acne or tend to break out, this is such a great acid toner. Gentle, brightens. I am so glad I found this. The next one I'm going to talk about, I finished it up and I wish I would have saved the bottle. It is the BIOLOGIQUE RECHERCHE P50 lotion. There is a reason why this is a cult favorite, and I am so glad I tried it this year. It does everything. It exfoliates, it hydrates, it preps your skin for any follow-up skincare. And I'm not kidding. Every skincare item that I've ever tried, I have never seen a difference like the next day. This is one, there's a reason why they say it's like a facial in a bottle. I see a difference the next day after doing this. There are some drawbacks. It is expensive and it reeks. It smells like cherry chloroseptic. You know, the spray stuff that when you have a sore throat and you spray it and it numbs your throat and it tastes and smells like cherry. Yeah, that's what it smells like. And it feels that way on your face too. It kind of has this numbing effect. I put this all over my face. This was a couple months ago. My son walked in. He's like, what is that smell? Yeah, so, but oh God, it is so worth it. Oh my gosh, I love that stuff. And I'm saving up my pennies because I'm not real bougie. So that one is expensive, but worth it. But worth it. I have so many serums, and I've talked about them before, I think in my AM skincare routine. Still stand behind those, still love those. There's just a serum that I brought into my routine a few months ago, and that is The Ordinary's Niacinamide 10%, Zinc 1%. Niacinamide, if you don't already know, is great for inflammation. It helps reduce inflammation. It helps with rosacea, eczema. It helps calm skin, and it helps with, over time, shrinking pores. Because what it does is it helps with the elasticity in your skin, so it helps with fine lines and wrinkles. Works great with other skincare products as well. The myth about this and vitamin C canceling each other out is not true. That was a myth that started back in like 1950s or 60s, and it was based on unstable niacinamide and unstable vitamin C put together at really high heats. The whole study was just inaccurate, and unfortunately that myth carried through. I think that myth is hopefully gone. Anyway, this pairs fine with vitamin C. They don't cancel each other out. Love vitamin C, well, I love vitamin C too, but I love this. Like I said, I had started this a couple months ago and love it. And I should say it's very affordable. I've tried so many different eye creams, and I mean, some are good, and I've tried some that are just like, all right, this is the first one that blew me away. I only got a trial size of it and I finished it up. I wish I would have kept the bottle. Again, I'll put a picture of it. It's the KIEHLS Creamy Eye Treatment with avocado oil. Oh, the consistency of it is like no other, and it has great skincare ingredients in it. I'm not a big fan of KIEHLS, but this one, oh, I can't wait to repurchase this. If you have mature under eyes like me, I'm 49, this made such a huge difference. I put it on at night, I put it on during the day. It goes great to prep my skin for concealers and things like that. Keeps my skin hydrated throughout the day. It's amazing. I love it. I cannot wait until my other eye creams are done and I'm gonna run out, and I think that's gonna be my only eye cream. I think I finally found my holy grail eye cream. I have a couple miscellaneous random items that I want to talk about. The first one is the HONEYWELL humidifier. I'll put a picture of it up. Oh my gosh, I ordered this on Amazon. It was a year ago, and so I used it all of 2019, all seasons. Oh my gosh, it is kind of a pain in the butt. It has two big tanks. It's got a filter you have to replace. I know you're just going, why is it in your best? Because I love sleeping with this. I wake up and my skin feels so hydrated. I can't live without it. In fact, my son is sick right now, so it's been in his room, and I'm gonna have to buy him his own humidifier. He loves it too. And especially in the winter time, with the dry heat that really can dry out your skin, having a humidifier, like, I mean, maybe not one that big, but oh, it makes such a huge difference. And it's worth being a pain in the ass. Okay, next one. This is the Nurse Jamie pillow. I know, my kids call it the alien pillow. I'm a side sleeper. I sleep on my left side. It doesn't matter if I start out on my right side. I always end up on my left side. And over time, what happens is you can just start seeing wrinkles on one side of your face. So I got this pillow and it's actually surprisingly comfortable. I didn't like it at first. It took a little bit of adjusting to, but this part right here supports your neck, and then right here, as you can see, my disgusting sleeping mask is all over this. You can wash it, which I should have done before this video. Anyway, my neck goes here and then my face goes here. So then my face doesn't get scrunched up when I sleep. I know, super random, but I have seen a difference. Like, I don't wake up and indents in my face from my pillow and just being all smushed on the one side. This really has made a difference. Kind of expensive though. This is the Truth Treatments Omega-6 Healing Cream. Oh my gosh, I already finished it up, but this I will definitely repurchase again. Oh my gosh. This omega-6, if you don't know, is like the first step in healing your skin. This is great for chapped lips. I had just disgusting chapped lips about a month ago. 2 nights of putting this on, just a little tiny bit, healed. I'm telling you, there is magic in here. If you've got acne, this really helps heal your skin quickly. It is so incredible. And the ingredients are great. Oh, I can't stop. I know, I'm just like getting all excited and freaking out over skincare, but I just love this stuff. And I love Truth Treatments. I have another product that's coming up. It is a great company, and I don't sell skincare, just so you know, and I have no affiliates, but if I was gonna sell anything or would have an affiliate, it would be these guys. I love Truth Treatments. Anyway, good stuff. Great ingredients, no crap chemical fillers. I love it. I do want to say one more thing about this. It does help to calm skin, great for hydration, great for inflammation, great for healing. I mean, I cannot say enough good things about this stuff. I I 100% stand behind this stuff. I love it. This is the best over-the-counter retinol that you can get. This Truth Treatments 5% retinol. This is the most powerful over-the-counter retinol on the market. This is a little potent, so you might want to start with the 1%. Again, great company, great ingredients as well. If you're looking for a great, I think I've said great like 100 million times, a fabulous retinol that doesn't have a lot of crap fillers and the ingredients list isn't incredibly long. This has such great qualities to it. Great skincare, great retinol. I could do a whole separate video on retinols, by the way. If you are familiar with vitamin A derivatives, this is the equivalent to a prescription 0.05% tretinoin. Truth Treatments Retinol 5%. Love it. The next one I have is Cureology. I started using this in November, and I usually like to wait about 3 months before I give a review on any skincare. Okay, so it's been almost 3 months. I love this stuff. It is an online subscription. If you can't get to a dermatologist, this is a great way if you want to get a prescription retinoid into your skincare. This is a great way to do it, and it's inexpensive. It's $39.99 for 2 months. I'll link it below. They pair you with a dermatologist. You send in pictures, and they come up with your formula that works for your skin and what you're looking for. My formulation is 4% niacinamide, 0.05% tretinoin, and 5% azelaic acid. What you do is you go on, you can sign up for a trial, and they'll send you this little bottle with your formulation. And this is about a month supply. So I use this, and then they check back in with you to see how you're doing with it. If you want to continue with the subscription, it's $39.99 for 2 months worth that they send you. This is what I got after my trial period. Like, the reason why I love this so much, oh my gosh, I have seen such a difference in my skin. My pores are smaller, my skin feels firmer, and it has made my PM skincare routine so much easier. This is all I need as far as serums in one bottle. So I will do my double cleanse, this, an eye cream, and maybe like a hydrator. I was so excited to share this with you guys. Love this stuff. The best chemical exfoliator of 2019. I mean, it was the best in 2018, the best in 2017. It will always be the best, in my opinion, chemical exfoliator. It's a mask, and it is the Drunk Elephant TLC Sukari Babyfacial. This is the 25% AHA and 2% BHA. Potent stuff. If you're just starting out with this, you do not want to do the full 20 minutes. It is tingly and kind of burny. But it gets off all of that dead skin that's just maybe clinging on a little too tightly. This clears it away, and oh my gosh, when I rinse this off, my skin feels like a baby's bottom. I love this. Will always repurchase. Actually, I think I have a backup up there. Yeah, right there. Love it. Will always have it in my arsenal. The next one is the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. I had a hard time figuring out how to get these into my skincare routine because I have an acid toner, I have my Babyfacial, and these, so I didn't really have a need for these pads, and I'm not a big fan of peel pads. And then I found a way to use them, and I love it. I use these for my feet. I love doing a pedicure once a week. I don't like people touching my feet, so I do my own pedicure. I scrub, and then the last thing I do is I will use one side of the pad for one foot, the other side for the other foot, let it dry, throw on some cream, throw on some socks, and this just helps with any leftover clinging on dry skin, and it makes my feet so soft. I love that I found a way to use these because I'm cheap and I don't want to throw anything away. I've talked about this one before. This is the Ren sleeping mask. I know I said I these were all new, but this one I had to throw in here. I love this one. This one with my humidifier at night. Love, love, love. This is the Epionce. This is a enriched firming mask. I thought this was a sleeping mask when I bought it, so that's what I was using it as. I would do all my PM skincare routine, put this on, and then go to bed. And you're actually supposed to rinse it off, but it actually surprisingly works well as a sleeping mask. I wake up and my skin feels firmer and hydrated. That's the thing, you guys. It doesn't matter if you have oily skin, dry skin. I just heard somebody say the other day, you cannot get too much hydration. We all need hydration for our skin. And sleeping masks are such a great way to seal everything in and wake up in the morning with hydrated skin. The last one, I have to put a picture up because I ran out of this one. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Rose Cell Bio Repair Gel Mask. I keep this in my shower. There's something called transepidermal water loss, and what that is if you're in the shower or you go to the lake or a pool, if water sits on your skin, it is drawing water from your own skin and pulling it out. That's why you can get dehydrated when you, like I said, go to the lake or the pool, or if you take too long of showers and you get out and you don't put skincare on right away. What's happening is that transepidermal water loss, and it's pulling water out of your skin. So what I like to do is put this mask on to protect my face, my neck, and my chest while I am shaving, or I have a hair mask that needs to sit for a while, or if I'm just standing in the shower thinking about my day, and I'm not having that transepidermal water loss happening on my face, because I put this mask on, and I love it, and it's a great way to multitask, so I'm showering and doing some skincare at the same time. I have tried all of Peter Thomas Roth masks, and they're great. This just happens to be my absolute favorite. Though that was a lot of products to go through. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video on best skincare of 2019. And Happy New Year, and we will see you in my next video. Take care.